Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making peanut butter cheesecake swirled brownies. These brownies have a delicious brownie base swirled with a sweet peanut butter cheesecake filling and baked to perfection. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, combine all dry ingredients in a middle bowl over a sifter. Add flour along with sugar. Add cocoa powder, some salt, and baking powder. Sift everything to combine, then set it aside. Now we're gonna move on to wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, add eggs, along with melted butter and vanilla extract. Using a hand mixer, beat well until your eggs are lemon colored. Once everything has incorporated, we're gonna add the dry mixture to the egg mixture and mix well. Next, use the spatula to scrape the sides. Once everything is incorporated, pour the batter into a prepared pan. Use the spatula to spread the batter across the pan. Reserve 1 cup of batter to use later. Sprinkle the top of the batter with chocolate chips. Next step, we're gonna make the filling. In a medium bowl, beat cream cheese until fluffy and smooth. Then add peanut butter, 1 egg, sugar, and milk. Beat on low speed until the mixture is smooth and well incorporated. Next, drop the filling mixture over the brownie batter and carefully spread over the batter with a spatula. Next, drop reserved batter by tablespoons over the filling. Cut through the knife to swirl. Then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. The brownies are out of the oven. It smells so good here. I'm gonna let them cool in the wire rack for an hour before I cut them. This recipe yields 2 dozens. There you have it, guys. I hope you will try this recipe. I know you will like it. If you do, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Share this recipe with your friends and your family. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.